Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. Alright, let's begin. To begin, open your web browser and type api.slack.comaps into the search bar to navigate to Slack's API apps page. Once there, click on Create a new app, select from scratch, and give your app a name such as Test. Choose the workspace where you want to create your app and then click Create App. This action will redirect you to your app's settings page. Here, navigate to Incoming Webhooks and toggle it on to enable. A pop-up window will appear. Click on Add New Webhook to Workspace located at the bottom. Choose the channel where you wish to integrate the webhook, such as a channel named Test, and then click Allow. You will now see your webhook URL generated. Copy this URL as you'll need it for integrating with other services or applications. Return to Slack, navigate to the specific channel where you want to add the webhook, for example, Test, and paste the copied URL to complete the integration. So that's basically how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.